It's commonly said that when life gives you lemons, you should make lemonade. Well, that's exactly what Dinthill Technical are doing after getting a second chance in the Issa da Costa Cup. Dinthill ended the regular season of the competition on 4 points in Group K behind leaders McGrath and Charlemont. But when it was discovered that Charlemont used an ineligible player, it meant that Dinthill, who had lost once and drawn once against Charlemont, would be benefiting from added points. As a result, Dinthill were promoted to second, and they grabbed the chance with both hands to now book a place in the final.
I was told by a friend of mine about the Denmark in 1992 for the Euros. Similar situation when it was Yugoslavia and they were out of the Euros and in come Denmark and how well they did. So similar story. Yeah, we got a reprieve. We weren't doing as well as best as we should, as we started. But nevertheless, after giving that lifeline, then I mean, so far we have made the best use of it. From start, we weren't playing bad. The result just wasn't coming our way. So far things looking good, and we just want to continue on that path. We were very optimistic, even though things weren't going our way. And before we got those points, we were still eyeing that there's a possibility of a best third place. So, you know, we were thriving on that because we saw how difficult it was in terms of being one of the top two in the group. So we were still hoping that results would go our way and would advance as one of the best third place teams. So we were still keeping our fingers crossed and our toes as well. And eventually, again, we got that lifeline.
When you look at your results since leaving the group stage, they are better than those at the group stage.
Yeah, as I say, we were unlucky. We were playing good football. We just weren't getting the results. Some unfortunate things happened as well. But I saw the game go sometimes. We were unfortunate on a number of occasions to be where we were, you know, with some officiating, I think. But that's how it is. Sometimes it goes your way, sometimes it doesn't go your way. And that's something that we have to live with the human element in the game.
In 2 seasons in a row, Clarendon College, Dinthill reached the semi-final, but ran into Clarendon College at that stage. Was it some blessing of its kind that you didn't see a Clarendon College this time around at the semi-final?
I mean, you have to prepare. I mean, once is one thing with the game and the sport. In order for you to beat the champion, you always have to beat the best. And whether you beat them early, semi-final, or in the final, it is what it is, and probably it is. So we'll just see. Hopefully that we can get everything right and dethrone them off their crown.
Do you fear this Clarendon College team?
No, it's finals. Everybody starts at 0-0. There's no advantage heading into the game, and we are aware of that. Of course, they have a strong unit, and we are aware of that. And we are also strong, so we just gonna have to exploit any weakness that we see and curtail their strengths, as they are very good defensively, and we're mindful of that. Technically, there are some good players and can keep the ball. But once we play smart and allow them to keep the ball in areas that won't hurt us, then we're fine with that.
McGrath, who you played against, they went up against Clarendon College in the semi-final. I'm sure you saw that game and picked up some pointers. Just when everyone was saying that Clarendon College would not be defeated this season, KC did that on Saturday. What did you pick up from those 2 games?
I mean, the reality is KC didn't give them as much space to play that most teams do. The McGrath game, it's and that's Clarendon College. They'll come out not looking their best, but the coach talked to them at halftime, a very good coach. And then there's a different team as they come out in the second half, and they'll just turn up the tracker. So sometimes quality teams like that, they know how to win and know what to do to win. They'll either kill it from first half or they kill it in the second half. And that's how they win almost all of their games. They either score 2 early goals early and just possess the ball for the rest of the game, or they either feel it out and then they come out second half and immense pressure.
The fact that you are inflated now and they are deflated, does it make a difference?
No, it doesn't. Everybody starts square one, 0-0, and it might motivate them because, of course, they have the Champions Cup have eluded them, and it's something that I know that they wanted because I don't think they've ever won it yet. So there might be added motivation for them to ensure that they retain their title. So, I mean, I don't think it's any advantage or disadvantage. And I don't think they're inflated. They're too good of a team to after one loss to be deflated. I don't think so.
According to coach Xavier Gilbert, the team isn't built around any one player.
I mean, at every level, first round you have person stepping up, scoring goal. Second round, somebody else. Quarter-final round, somebody else. And the semi-final, we have somebody else. So it's all around. And any given day, somebody just put up there and get the job done for us. And that's pretty much how we build the team, you know, and trying to not to depend on one single individual. Because when you do that, sometimes if that individual gets hurt or not having a good game, then you don't want the team to suffer.
It's a long wait for the crowd, too long for some. It has also been said in the last couple of years that it was Dinthill's year, but that also failed to materialize.
It's really been a long time, 1981. It's really a long time. And hopefully we can turn the tides this year and bring back the trophy to Livingston. They really deserve it. They have been knocking at the door for the last 5 seasons, being in the semi-finals and finals and not getting the job done. And hopefully this time around we can be successful. The support has been good from technical side, from my technical team, assistant coach, equipment manager, the driver, the canteen staff who look after the boys, the dorm master.
You know the fact that they beat McGrath in the semis, if they beat you now, it's like they conquer the entire Leinster.
Oh yes, and definitely. And I mean, young men we're going to give it our best shot. We know the task at hand, and we're just going to put our best foot forward and hopefully that we can dethrone them.
Ty Wedderburn is the captain of Dinthill Technical.
I know it's really a joy and grateful right now because it's one of my second to last year because of next year. So it really means how much to me right now, and Saturday I'm going to take it home to my school. Right now it's just I've put in hard work right now. Just hard work I've put in and just go there and execute because the coach really need this and we really need this.
And what would it mean for the school community?
It really means a lot for the school right now because it's been years. They have been trying to reach this far and we're going to bring it home for them.
The fact that you got back in the competition, is this that reason that driving this team so much?
Yes, and our manager, he never give up on it at all. Until we say, once we get it, we'll just keep driving forward and he keep motivating us and just keep motivating us and just keep forward, just keep going forward.
Since leaving the group stage, Karim Bryan has scored 6 times for Dinthill to be the team's leading scorer.
It feels very good, but I'm not the only one who carried the team. My teammates helped me as well. They set up my goals and that's how it happened. Yes sir, the big game is coming up, biggest of the season. I just need to produce and everything will be okay.
Sometimes players get butterflies. How are you feeling ahead of this one?
Well, everybody gets butterflies at least the first minute of the game, but as you get yourself into the game, then all the butterflies are gone and you just deliver.
Do they frighten you?
No sir, I'm from Clarendon and I've seen them over the years, but if you're not confident and not mentally prepared, then you're beaten already, and that's what we're trying to derive from.
What would it mean then for you to come back to the school Monday morning in devotion with the trophy?
It would mean everything to everybody in the town, the school, past students, overseas and everywhere. It just mean everything to everybody.
And you'll be going back to Clarendon as well if you do win this as a winner in the parish of the team that you would have beaten.
Well, they beat us last year and I felt a little bad going back to Clarendon, seeing that I came here and did not win any silverware. But this year, I want to go back and feel very high, lift my head up and Yes, sir.